Public toilets without regular maintenance would be very impractical because the first person would finish with no water to rinse the tank is causing people to follow. I have a way for you to find a balancing act and collect some soil from a pot. The toilet will do the same for us. So get the job done comfortably. Toilet is what you have to do to clean it up. I have a win for you. When you are done, you can easily change it. Know it with a bottle of Coca-Cola. Pour it around the edge of the pool so that it can float, and then press the drain button. You are in a hurry to go to the bathroom to change, but there is no place to hang clothes. So take a wall hook out of your pocket, pull off the adhesive event and press it onto the wall. When you are done, you can easily change it. Last but not least, just be careful and you don't want to be seen by others when you get dressed.
Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, yes sir.
What do you do when you're home alone? Here I will show you what a girl who is home alone is like. She will watch horror movies and many times panic with the top scares in the movie. She started imagining her surroundings with noises coming from outside. Of course, she would wear headphones so she wouldn't hear them anymore and dance as if nothing happened. It's funny, isn't it? After a while, she will take out the clothes from the cupboard and put them on. And do all sorts of weird things like jump like a frog and hook your nose to eat. It's too small, especially during the epidemic season. She bit her toenails and raised her legs to smell, which made her excited. Maybe her foot odor was like an addictive substance. And of course all the ear odor and armpit odor taste really disgusting. When she went to the toilet, she used her underwear to hold the phone stand. It was unhygienic when she took that phone and picked up the food with her hand.